Okay, today's exercise involves my GPS and Keith's plane. So this is a GPS receiver that I've had. Here's a couple of boards that I've made recently and a cell phone battery. The objective here is to log GPS while we're flying in the plane. So I've got a couple of boards that help me do that. This one is this one's a microSD. Here's my fingers for just a point of reference. This is a microSD card, and this is a AVR microcontroller. And this is just an adapter board to go out to this. It could be shrunk a lot smaller, but basically it just gets the GPS data, and if it's valid GPS data, then it ends up storing it on the SD card. Here are the results from our test. The block on the top are the details having to do with his green plane, going a total of about 38 miles per hour and a maximum height of what looks like about 309 feet, and then his striker went 68 miles per hour with a maximum height of about 211 feet. I'm getting those from the first and last outputs from each block. So now let's take a look at it on Google Maps. So we tossed the raw GPS data into a program that converts it over to a file that Google Maps can look at, and you can see it just looks like a jumbled mess here on Google Maps. But if we pull it up on Google Earth, then we can see it in 3D. So we fire up Google Earth and it zooms in for us right onto the point of interest. There's the same thing we saw on the website, and if we just grab it and rotate it, let's see, you can see that it's actually in 3D. So it looks almost like a roller coaster or something like that, but here it is. And let's rotate around in 3D space, and that makes it evident. You can see there's the path that Keith's plane took. Pretty cool. So anyway, that little GPS thing, you could toss it in a RC airplane in the backseat of somebody's car or whatever, and it could take a log from a couple of days to a couple of weeks.